Green building is a way to design and build homes that is healthier, energy and resource efficient, and the bottom line is just about common sense approach to a better quality house. My name is Brian Gitt. I'm the Executive Director of Build It Green. There are a lot of benefits for the homeowner or home buyer in terms of green building. Number one is reduced cost of home ownership. You know, a lot of people think of green, they think of expensive, but it's actually just the opposite. Green is going to save you money over time. You're going to have a more durable home, so your maintenance costs are going to be less. It's also about health and comfort though, and everyone wants to have healthy air that their kids are breathing, that they're breathing or their parents are breathing, and so green is all about health, comfort, reducing the cost of home ownership. These are all benefits of living in a green home. So when a consumer is looking to find a green professional or find green products, builditgreen.org is the central one-stop shop to go to get all residential green building information. There are a lot of locations you can go for green products and materials and technologies, but I have to say Fairfax Lumber in Fairfax, California is one of the pioneers and one of the leaders in this area.
Indoor air quality is important because, as example, in a new home or the large remodel of an existing home, the indoor air quality can be as much as 10 times worse as being outside on the smoggiest of days in LA. The outgassing from products that are brought into the home, such as formaldehyde and particle board and MDF, to glues used in carpeting, to all the various coatings that go onto walls and floors and cabinets. Collectively, those products outgas chemicals which create a toxic environment that we live. And indoors, whether it's where you live or where you work, we're spending upwards 90% of our time indoors. We're living in a toxic soup. About 4 years ago, we embarked on a green building initiative. From the community, it's been very well accepted. And beyond the community, we have been very well accepted throughout the entire San Francisco Bay Area, California, and different parts of the country. To the point where in 2006, Fairfax Lumber won a national award in regards to our efforts into creating a green building program. Let's take a tour through the store to explain about some of the environmentally friendly alternatives we have to offer you to use in and around your home or work. Behind me is FSC certified lumber. FSC stands for Forest Stewardship Council. FSC certification involves the green labeling of companies and wood products that meet the standards of sustainable and responsible forestry. FSC certification guarantees that forests are managed in a way that will assure the long-term availability of forest products, promote biodiversity, sustainability, and social responsibility while protecting old-growth timber in the forest environment. What a lot of folks don't realize is that nowadays you can control your watering irrigation needs with an on-site weather station. I'm standing in front of our Weathermatic SmartLine irrigation control system. It consists of a controller to manage the various circuits that are used on your property to water with, and an on-site weather station. The system measures rainfall, air temperature, and a handful of other variables. And then in the controller here, it adjusts your watering needs as the weather changes. The end result is that you don't overwater or underwater based on changes in the weather. We recommend the use of organic fertilizers in your yard because the organics are a much slower release of the nutrients. That situation grows a healthier, stronger plant, a plant with thicker cell walls. Thicker cell walls means that plant is going to be more pest and fungal resistant. Now let's go around the store, meet some other employees, and have them tell you some more about the green products that we have to offer.
There's a whole new movement going about bay-friendly landscaping, and it's about sustainable landscaping. California natives are, they're really water-wise. Most California natives are very drought tolerant. They need less pesticides, they need less herbicides, they need less pruning and maintenance, so they save on energy, they save on water bills, they fit into our habitat in a more natural way, a more sustainable way.
Okay, another way to save money and help the environment is this high-efficiency toilet. This has been designed to use much less water, but yet do a thorough job of flushing away waste products. It has a 2-flush method, so you have your liquid waste for the number 1, only uses 0.8 gallons. The number 2 for solid waste is going to use 1.6 gallons. But it's also an improved flush method. With a Roman flush, it pushes the waste out rather than the old siphon method.
We've just taken you on a very brief tour of the many, many environmentally friendly products we have here at Fairfax Lumber and Hardware.
Their staff is knowledgeable and they can really help you out on your green remodel or green building project. So Fairfax Lumber is an excellent place to go to source your green building materials and products.